Hey, live here in Tampa, it's Sean Clark from Clark News 9. Hey, it's 1 a.m. here in Tampa. Still a lot of wind. This is probably as close to the eye as we'll get. And to be honest with you, unlike other news storms, other news stations, excuse me, we're just going to tell you the truth. We've completely run out of things to say. So this is going to be our last episode for tonight. We will kick it back up in the morning. We've lost power now. We are without power, and we'll see you all in the morning. Have a good night. Stay safe, Tampa.